Kwa the county Masianya koromga juang od bura ma county Masiaya opuodho bajet momedore mark higa mar ganario prario kod ariyo ganario prario kod adek maromo shillings bilion 8.93. Gino makoro medo mwandu ma county no gi shillings milion 120 kowuok shillings bilion 8.2 bajet mar chenro mag dwe mar higa mar auchiel dwe mar auchiel higa mar ganario prario kod ariyo higa mar ganario prario kod adek. Medruok e bajet no sir gi lipot mano majiwo mar yuto ma county no kowuok shillings milion 580 nyaka milion 700. Od bura ma county no bende orwako shillings milion 400 mondo gole bajet gi mar dongruok kendo chwale chenro moko mag apoya. Jakom mar aput maloso bajet gi chenro mag higa mar ganario gi pradek e county no Sylvester Madialo wacho ni chenro bajet momedre no zikanyo e dongruok mar chenro duto maten governor ma county no James Orengo chano timo.
Says that Siaya is going to get its money as follows: that 6.966 billion 507,531 will be equitable share expected to trickle in from Nairobi. Our own source revenue shall be collected to the tune of 700,998,234. That Kenya shillings 571,390,521 will be conditional grants, and that Kenya shillings 697,043,128 rollover from the 2021-2022 budget. Mr. Speaker, conditional allocations for this year comprise in Kenya shillings 110,638,298 being lease of medical equipment, Kenya shillings 125 million for financing for local climate action projects, and Kenya shillings 12,206,000 from Danida, Kenya shillings 8,906,243 Agricultural Sector Development Support Project, ASDSP, and 314,639,880 for Kenya Climate Smart Agricultural Project, KCSAP.